Hey player, what you gonna get her for Christmas?
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Drika. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life, y'all. So today I wanted to show y'all how I made my how I did my letters for my stockings. So I was looking for some stockings that had our initials on them, like our first name initials or whatever, but I either didn't see any that I liked or they were too expensive. And I really didn't want to buy anything that was super expensive because I don't know if I will be using the same stockings next year. But the reason I wanted to put our initials on our stockings is because we're doing stocking stuffers, and it's easier for to just grab the stocking and just let everybody just look in their own stockings. So yeah, all right y'all, so here's the stockings, and I got the stockings from Hobby Lobby, and I paid $6 for them. The original price was $11.99, but y'all know everything in Hobby Lobby is half off. Well, all the Christmas decor is half off, and the fall decor, if y'all didn't know, is 90% off. So yeah, so this is how the stocking look. It had little bells on them. They're super cute, and I got white, red, and green. So yeah, and so what I did was got these initials, and I put the initials on here. I got these initials from Hobby Lobby as well. Now, if I was like earlier doing this, I could have gotten the initials online, like some better ones, but it don't matter. I had to do something like now. And because I didn't want to pay much, I was like, okay, you're gonna have to do it yourself. Just do it yourself, okay? So that's what I did. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and I think they were $1.99, so $2 a piece. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. This is what it looked like. Super pretty. And I pretty much just eyeballed where I wanted it to be. So if it's not, you know, right, don't worry about all this. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I do it. And I know it's gonna be a really short video, but I just wanted to share with you all how I did this, okay? All right, y'all, so pretty much the iron-on sticker have the instructions in the back. And if y'all wanna see, just screenshot it, but when you buy it, it'll have the instructions on the back. And I'm just gonna take the pillowcase as the cloth because I don't have like another one, okay? And I'm gonna put the pillowcase on here. I'm just gonna press it like this. It'll give me my little ground, let it cool off or whatever. So pretty much we have to peel the back off like this. y'all, so these hollow stockings turned out. I absolutely love them. I could have ordered some better letters, but for last minute, this worked just fine and it's very cost effective. So yeah, if y'all have any last minute projects y'all need to get done, I hope this motivates y'all to get up and do what y'all need to do. So yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.